Whenever you build a project car, you always get to a certain point where you're basically finished, but there's still a million little things left to do. Well, this is going to be your 7 most important things to make sure you're doing to your project cars before you take them onto the road. Well, if you're anything like me and you're slamming your car all the way to the ground, you want to make sure that you can actually turn. Well, I can't right now, so let's sort that out. Robert is standing on my car to put some weight on it, and this is the front left. It looks all right, but I think if I turn, it would be touching. So it does need to be raised slightly, but this, on this side, already it looks like it's touching. So this needs to be raised a lot more.
There's literally no space. That's body filler touching the tire already.
But for the rears, I'm not going to change any of the ride height because it looks pretty good right now. And if my car was to bump, the wheel would just go inside the arch anyways. Day 2 now. We had to cut yesterday short because of the UK weather. Oh my God, Robert. It's hailstoning.
Oh, where did that come from?
We did manage to sort out the ride height of the car so it is low as possible without rubbing, but we still have one issue. Even though the arch is fully clear when we do put weight on the car, there's still a part of the arch which we are rubbing against. So this little corner of the arch here rubs against the tire. And in this instance, I have 2 options. Number 1, be a puss and raise the car up. Or number 2, be Laura and cut a bit of the arch off, which I know you guys love me to do. Safety first, my guys. Oh, shit, let's go! Alright, boom.
Boom.
We just finished it, innit? Roadman Laura says it's done.
No, that's no rubbing sounds.
No rubbing.
No.
See? Sometimes cutting is good.
Bit of black smoke there, love.
We need to sort that out.
It's chopping like a LS, bro.
Yeah, it is. I swapped it last weekend. Now that that's done, the second thing you must do before driving your project car is to finish them jobs that you were too lazy to do at the time. Robert, I've got a job for you.
Yeah, mate.
So I couldn't be asked to align my exhaust, and now is the time we're going to do it. I need you to get your ass under it and stop being lazy behind the camera.
Hey.
We need to hold it up first, right? So put a zip tie around here, hold it with my head. The zip tie is not long enough.
Bit to the left, bit to the right.
You're taking
I'm taking the piss.
I've been struggling. She's like, yeah, right, left, right, left, right, left.
Man's really kissing my car. Robert, I know you're desperate, but chill out. Stop it. Stop sucking him off.
How's that?
Zip tie, sucker. Yeah, it's all right. I can't lie, it's all right.
That's one job done. You're doing the next one.
Coming in. It's been so long that this fuel filter's been hanging like this. I didn't remember how the hell it goes back on. We could have jacked up the car a bit more. No wonder I put this motherfucking job off. Oh yeah, we're getting some movement.
The f was that?
All right, we're done. Oh, here we go. No. Right, that's it. I'm doing this one first and then I'll tighten them all down fully after.
There you go, tighten it.
It's not in it.
It is. Look at that.
Yeah, it's tight.
In. Fuel pump bunda cover on.
All right, now that rubbish is done, we can move on to the third thing you must check, and that is a bolt check, because it's more than likely you've left at least 1 or 2 bolts loose somewhere down the line. Yeah, I'm sure that's tight. That's tight.
Yeah, tight. Upper control arm. Yeah, we're tight. Yeah, that's tight, boy.
Oh shit! That wasn't tight. Bro, Tim, my dropping wasn't tight.
Oh, okay, my side's fine. There you go.
Yeah, she ain't going nowhere. She ain't going nowhere. Actually, while you're checking the bolts, you might as well check the oil and the coolant, especially if you're someone whose Fiesta died due to lack of oil and drifting in the snow.
Yo! Bro, you just blew up the engine.
Did I?
I think so.
We'll leave it for now. We'll leave it.
Look like a samurai.
Oh, she's dripping. She's so full. Look.
Yeah, we're alright, mate.
Yeah, she's full as well.
Full to the flipping
Full to
brim.
the brim, so she got everything. All right, now that that's done, if you have bucket seats, you got to make sure that they're actually in the car.
No respect.
For these.
I mean, yeah. Smart, look at you.
Yeah, what the hell? This is so raised. There we go.
This seat is actually so clapped.
My dog chewed it. I really need to get new seats though.
Long overdue a change.
I mean, people can't see it when we're sitting in it, right? I just gotta make sure I always have 2 people in it at a time. Or if I'm alone, just take the seat out.
Hello, lovely.
Hello,
It's your
love.
professional harness fitter here. How can I help you?
And if you've got harnesses, you gotta make sure they're properly adjusted, like Robert is doing for me right now.
My back.
You comfortable?
Bruh, look at this. I hold me back.
So first, I want to see daily mode, yeah?
Daily mode, all right, no worries. This is daily mode. You can see here, race mode. Whoa, drift mode. And look, I ain't flying out that windscreen. So yesterday we finished installing the seats and installing the harnesses, which now fit us perfectly, which brings us on to point number 5, which is putting back on the bodywork. This is actually paint. This is the color of my car when we just finished painting it, and this is the color now. And look at this side. Even this side's gone down a bit. My bumper needs these to stay on as well.
What project car doesn't need some zip ties though?
True. That is so bad.
We didn't really think about this, did we?
No, because the wheel's still on and I'm not taking the bumper off and putting it on.
I can't get over this colour difference.
Alright, drill time.
Oh shit.
What? Oh no! Oh my god, you can see the blue underneath. Don't say anything about the mirrors. I'm literally just putting that on for legal reasons. Oh yeah, with the bolts as well, all of them are mismatched. So out of all 4 bolts, there's not one of them the same. More zip ties, please. Mine's on. I beat you. Bro, that's perfect. No, but the rear looks good. Look how shiny this is.
Yeah, see, that's how the whole car was meant to be.
It was.
Look at that. That's how the whole car was meant to turn out, but...
I'm not lying. It was. So all my body panels are on and I was gonna put my plates on too, but I realized I had no Velcro. So I'll do that another time. But that brings me on to my 6th point, which is make sure your car's legal. Obviously, number 1, make sure you have your plates on. Number 2 is to have MOT, which I got while the car wasn't running. Number 3 is to make sure the car has tax and insurance, which I've actually done for my car. My car's getting insured very soon, and that's for next time. And number 4, if you change your car's color like me, make sure you tell DVLA that you did it. I didn't really know what colors to tell them I changed it to, but I told them something. And the last thing that you have to do, which is arguably the most important thing, is to make sure your car looks good. Fucking hell, I should take my own advice. This car looks shit.
I mean, you don't need to sit that far because it's gonna keep denting. Jeez, look, get off. Get off.
We got him, boys.
That doesn't mean... Oh, aye!
Oh my god, Robert!
What?
You didn't tell me.
What?
Look at my eyelid.
Oh. It's alright. Close your eye. Panda, panda, panda.
I got bras in Atlanta.